Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Monday, April the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 84501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Yeah, we see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Here also a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 1 could be everywhere. Here we have a triple box again. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it can be 5 in the more. This box should be a 4. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check here. We have a quadra box. Well, these two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then the following step. Following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Upside down here, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only, well, not true. Here, another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's at 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, look. This triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 2. But also this box, it's connected here. But also it cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. So the only digit should be a 3 then. Okay, is connected with that box should be so 3, is connected with that box should be so 3, is also connected with that box should be so 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 here, so this can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, okay. Here 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and a 5 is connected with that box. Okay. Well, then these two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5 in this T-shaped area, we have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 1. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be, wait, this box can be 3, that box, these 2 boxes can be 2. This box can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, but also this box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If we place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Apologies. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area should be here. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left, 1 number 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then 2 to 5. Okay. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot also be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 5 and disappear. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes, so the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 2. Only 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If you place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. 3 to 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape, supposed to be here, and 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. Also a playlist for the killer Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.